Today's the first time I'm going to use this Sous Vide cooker from AUAG, and yes, I read the whole manual and I learned a lot. I have my bin there for water and I'm going to fill it up right now. Remember, we want to go between these two lines. So let me fill this up quick. There we are. I filled it up with hot water and I'm going to let it come up to temperature before I put the meat in. Let's plug in our sous vide machine. Place it in the water. All right, now, again, I don't know if you can see the top of this with these lights. Turn it on. All right. Right away it goes to vegetables. I'm going to change the mode to beef. Pork. I'm sorry if you can't see. Let me turn off the lights a little so you can see better. Is that a little better? Fish. Alright, let it make it blink. Hold the menu. Pork. Goose, chicken, turkey. We have 30. We have 30 presets. Beef ribs, beef. Okay, beef. And I want to go, believe it or not, 2 hours. I'm going to hold this down for the time. I'm going to change it to 2 hours. 2. That's it. Now you wait a couple seconds and that will set. And the temperature should be around 130. Right now, oh, that's Celsius. I want Fahrenheit. 120. See, 133. That this is going to be, but right now it's 120 because I put it in hot water. I'm going to let my water come up to temperature. Maybe you remember I did a trial last night just to see how it worked with my unboxing. I have 2 sirloin steaks here, and I'm going to use Ziploc freezer bags. I'm going to put 1 in each bag. Now, sous vide is actually a French term which means under vacuum. And I have a vacuum sealer, but I don't have any bags right now. So, this works just as good, because I read a lot about it lately in the past few days. A Ziploc bag, get all the air out so it don't float to the top, you know, and use a clip or a clothespin, whatever you have handy, to clip it to the side, if you want. There's so many different kinds of bins, or you could use a big stock pot, or a big spaghetti pot. A regular metal pan is fine. And again, this is the first time I'm going to do this. I'll get fancier next time, but right now I'm just going to use salt and pepper on my meat. Put a sprig of rosemary in there like Kyle suggested, or whatever you like. Salt and pepper on both sides. These are almost 1 pound. Did I say that already? I don't even know if you're in camera. You see that? You can see that. Yeah, all right. But I gotta wait 2 hours to eat this. Then you know what we're gonna do? After the 2-hour cooking, low and slow, we're going to sear it. Reverse searing, I guess you call this. I'm gonna put these right in my bags. Next time I'll probably have vacuum sealed bags. It doesn't matter. And you could do these 2 in a bag or whatever, but I'm doing 1 in each bag. I'm gonna get all the air out of there that I can. Get the air out. Okay, that air's out. Can't wait. I'm gonna eat them all too. I read a lot about these lately since I got this sous vide cooker. Some people go 48 hours for a big roast. Do you believe that? Some people go 24 hours for ribs. So I thought 2 hours was long for steaks, but we're gonna try it. Real fancy high-end restaurants cook this way because it's so tender and juicy and flavorful. And we're gonna see. Okay, I'm gonna let my temperature come up here. Oh, it came up quick. See, it's green already because I put hot water in. That's great. See the green? That means you're up to temperature. All right, yellow, green, it's fluctuating because Just about there. 132, 133. 133 is our temperature, I believe. Yep. All right, good. I saved myself some time by filling my bin with hot water. So let's get started. And then when it does come up to temperature, your 2-hour timer will start counting down. Let's place these in here. All the air out so it doesn't float. I got a little clip. Actually, I didn't seal it. I got the air out, but I didn't seal it. Use my little clip. Clip it here, make sure it stays immersed. Whew, that's hot. Put your clip on there. I don't think this is really necessary. Maybe. And put the second one in. Look at that. Let me roll this up a little so it's not sitting on the bottom. Do you believe this? 2-hour steaks, sous vide, low and slow. And I'm going to be the taste tester. Nothing fancy. No fancy spices. But I gotta wait 2 hours. Alright. 1 hour, 57 minutes. 133 degrees. If you remember my unboxing, remember I had these silicone bags. But today I don't want to use them. You could use them perfectly fine. But I want to see what's going on there, you know. These are nice. They're flat bottom. They open up. They seal good. And they're made for things like this. But today I really just want to use the Ziploc freezer bags. And I'm going to get the vacuum seal bags. But first time, okay? It wasn't easy. Right? You season your meat, you heat up the water. That's it. It's so quiet. Set it and forget it. Walk away. Just be careful. Don't have your cord hanging off the edge for anybody to bump it or anything. Okay, I guess I'll be back in 2 hours. Right? I'm gonna be hungry. See you then. Let's look at it. How much time is left? 32 minutes. I can see it. What do you think? I'm pretty hungry. There's one. There's the other one on this side. Whew, hot in there. See it? Can't smell anything. Can't hear anything. You can just look at it. I bet it's gonna be good. 31 minutes remaining. Holding steady at 133 degrees. Do you know what? Less than a minute remaining. I'll turn the light off so maybe you can see this. There it is. It's been a long 2 hours and I'm extra hungry. When this ends, there'll be a few beeps to let you know. And if you're not in the room or in the area, it will go to keep warm mode for up to 2 hours. That's a good feature as well. There it is, see? And then the light turned blue. Alright, finally. Now I'm going to turn it off. Or I could have showed you that it would go to keep warm mode, but I already told you that. Okay, I'll unplug it from the wall. Turn the lights back on. It's time to eat. It's always time to eat. Oh, where are you going? Come back here. Alright, see what we got here. My first steaks, my first anything cooked in a sous vide cooker. And I have sirloin tip steaks here. You remember? Let's see how good you can see this. Take the clips off. Oh, you know what? I'm going to heat up my cast iron pan right now. I'm going to get it real hot. Okay? Because I'm going to sear them. First I'm going to put them onto a plate and let them rest for a few minutes. How hot are they going to be? Oh, 133 degrees, I'd say. Look, right now, it looks kind of gray and maybe not that appetizing, but we're going to fix that. You see it here? You see it. We're going to fix it. to get my cast iron pan as hot as it'll possibly get. There we go. 2 pounds of sirloin tip steak. Dry them off. Pat them dry. Let them rest while my pan sizzles. Ooh, I hear it over there. I hear it. My pan is, 436. 496. Alright, that's not enough for a sear, dear. Let's hold it together now. First I'm going to do the side where the fat is. Get in there. Yeah. They fixed them. Oh, now it smells delicious. Oh, it does. Yeah, you know what that is. It's a success. The smoke alarm went off. Turn on that fan. Alright. I should put it on meat mode. Alright, turn that heat down. We did it. Check them out. Check out the internal temperature, 139, 140.
141.6 degrees Fahrenheit.
Sorry, I didn't know you couldn't see that. Do I need a knife? Do I need a fork? I gotta taste it. Where's my knife and fork? Can you see this? Whoa. What does it look like? Here. What does that look like? Good? Somebody likes it, somebody don't like it. I'm gonna taste it right now. Oh, wait. There we go. That's so good. Where is it? I lost it. Where's my plate? I had a plate here, didn't I? What I'm gonna do now? I'll put a little A1 steak sauce on one side. And put a little bit of butter on the other one, so you can look at it. You seeing it? Take no bite of this. Take a piece of butter. Was it worth waiting 2 hours for steak this good? I'd say. That has to be the best steak that I ever made. Get a piece of steak sauce. Oh boy. I swear that melts. Thanks for stopping by and experiencing my first sous vide cooker video. I'm loving it. I'll put info down below in the video description about the AUAG sous vide cooker. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe. We're gonna think of all kinds of fun things to cook in this. It's unlimited what we can think of. I love that. I'll talk to you soon. Oh, see ya.